And while you enjoying your meal at this beautiful hotel, you can monitor your flight.
Yeah, they have departures and arrivals. So these people got you. Guys, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate you guys. This is a continuation from the other video that I created yesterday. If you've not watched that video yet, I'm going to link it after this video, so please go ahead and watch that one first before you can watch this one, so that you can see how amazing all the amenities in this hotel is and the entire airport. Other than that, let's continue with our lovely tour. Have you met Bijou Restaurant yet? This culinary gem promises unforgettable dining experience. Let's explore the ambience and meet their awesome culinary team.
Alright guys, we're at our hotel restaurant. Bijou.
Look at these vases. You want me to take a picture of you there? Oh, that's so sweet.
We're tree hugger.
I should take you to the village. Okay, where are we going, Alyssa?
Let's go see the bar. So this is our menu here.
Yeah.
Looks like we have lunch available right now. And desserts if you're feeling fat. Do you guys have poutine? Is that what it's called? Poutine? That's okay. This is our bar area. We have a full bar. We've got our whiskeys, we've got our rums, we've got our gins, anything you could want. Oh, and we have draft beer.
Yeah, they have more seating area over here. So if you parked your car over there, you can watch it when you come to this restaurant. I love the seating areas over here. This is so beautiful. I kind of like the whites. I love the white and black combination. Yes. Then the lighting here just gives it that beautiful earthy touch. They have more areas over here. Look at their carpet. So if you're a booth person, they got you too. There goes my beautiful Alicia. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, sorry.
And while you enjoying your meal at this beautiful hotel, you can monitor your flight.
Yeah, they have departures and arrivals. So these people got you.
All day, every day.
Love this masterpiece over here. Look at that. They have more seating, fancy area over this side. Look at the chandeliers.
Wow,
this is so beautiful. Look at the chandeliers, guys. This is all black, right? Oh my Jesus.
12 o'clock. I'll see you there.
Okay. My friend is very beautiful. Guys, now that you know where to wine and dine, it's now time for us to explore the sumptuous rooms and suites this hotel has to offer. From spacious deluxe rooms to lavish suites with panoramic view, every corner of your accommodation exudes comfort and style. Join me as we tour one of the opulent suites to discover amenities that make this place a true home away from home. This is my room, guys. I love the setup over here. They do have a mini refrigerator. In this fridge they supply you with sparkling wine, red wine and white wine. Guys, now that you've seen my mini refrigerator that has nothing but apples and wine, let me take you up on top of the refrigerator. We do have a beautiful layout of the espresso machine, and I love that they get to give you like 4 flavors to try from. Your village girl had to try everything because it took me 2 trials before I can get the third one. I was even sweating. I had to take out like my shirt because the struggle was real, guys, and I had to get it right. On this other side they do have some tea and hot chocolate if you're not a coffee fanatic. So let's go ahead and make this coffee. Finally, guys, after 3 trials of failing, I figured out how to work this machine. All I had to do was to add water, then in the espresso machine add the pod, give it time for it to espresso my coffee, and voila, this is how my coffee turned out. I loved every bit of it. Of course, I had to add in more sugar. The way I was adding sugar in my coffee, you might think I was in a sugar competition, but let me test my creation with that. Perfect. Guys, now that you're done with coffee, I'll just give you a sneak peek of my room. I love everything about this room. First of all, I love the decoration on the wall, and I also love the fact that I have 2 beds. If I had a visitor, guys, we'll have a place to sleep. I also love my workstation. It's quite big and spacious, so it gives me comfort to move around whenever I'm working. The next thing I appreciated the hotel for is the complimentary water, and they did put it in a fancy glass bottle, and it also had their signage on it, so I felt like that was something very cool for them to do that. They're very expensive, so you expect things like this from such hotels. Other thing I loved about my room is this huge window that just gave me an opportunity to have a panoramic view of the city. Of course, the hotel is in the airport. I was able to see or watch the airplanes land and take off. And then let's go to this other side. Now we are going to my bathroom. So this is my bathroom, guys. It's not so big, but it's well lit, it's well arranged, it's clean. I just love that it's not too cluttered but still fancy at the same time. You know, they say beautiful or big things comes in small package. This is what this bathroom is giving me, and yeah, that is it. That's all about this room. I'm hoping you get to enjoy the view in this room. And look at that window giving us that natural lighting. Of course, this is me just sitting down trying to edit a video for you guys and just reflecting on my life and how God has been good to me. Beyond accommodation and dining, Marriott boasts a range of recreational facilities. From a state-of-art fitness center to a rejuvenating spa, there is something for everyone. The extension of the hotel, right? We are right at the airport. When you look on this other side, guys, can you see Qatar Airways? We do have Qatar Airways. Yay! Now we're going to the elevator.
Gotta go up. We have to go up.
Oh, we're going upstairs?
Yes.
Then
Doing all that twerking.
wrong button. Oh, this one is going upstairs. This one is going upstairs. Because I have a GoPro.
I like that. That was cute. Which floor is it?
So guys, this is the gym. How do you call the gym? Salle de exercise. I don't know. Hi. Hello. So when you come here, they have a spa. They have everything organic. Okay, they have free analysis, skin analysis. Okay. Okay, still at the airport. Can you see? You can be exercising at the same time, checking whether your flight is leaving you. We are going to the pool. Okay. I'm gonna bring her to Kenya. But look at their sauna. So they have towels over here. It's giving you beach vibes in Canada. They have a nice pool over there. I just love the art they do have. What do you call this? Jacuzzi. They have a jacuzzi. You see, the village girl doesn't know these things, and it's in a form of a fish. Yeah, so I'm excited.
The rooms are so nice. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. What are you up to? I came here to meet my fiance's family. Oh, we're getting ready to get fun.
Throughout our stay, the Marriott's commitment to impeccable customer service has been evident, from the friendly staff at the front desk to attentive housekeeping team. The hospitality here is truly exceptional, and interactions with the staff gives you a first-hand look at their commitment to guest satisfaction. Guys, it's clear that this is more than just a place to stay. It's an experience in opulence. If you're seeking a blend of comfort, style, and unmatched hospitality, Marriott is the destination worth considering for your next stay. Thank you for joining me on this indulgent adventure. Until next time, safe travels and see you on my next video.